was like, what? Excuse me? I am not a hoe. You know, that's my cousin. Yeah, she is a hoe. You know? Her mom is a hoe. And her dad is a hoe too, you know? Those hoes are loyal, though. Yeah. As you can tell from my outfit that I was made in China. Yes. Look, guys, I'm really sorry for the COVID. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry for it, but I didn't do it. I was here the whole time. I know. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, last year I was roaming around in the city and this guy just yelled at me. He was like, yo, go back to China. I was like, sir, there's no flight. I left China about 3 years ago because I feel pathetic. Yes, people are really judgmental. If you're like me, over the age of 27, not dating or not married in China, you'll be called leftover ladies. I know it is
चाल दे दिए दोस्तों
brutal, but I love leftovers. Come on, who doesn't love Chinese leftovers? Yeah. I know. Thank you. We are yummy and cheap.
इतनी लूट